support for reaching 100K subscribers. And also, I want to thank you for your love and support and huge trust on Dia's Funplay. Okay friends, there's a parcel waiting for me outside. If you can excuse me for a bit, I can go get the parcel and come. It's a YouTube play button, everyone! Thank you for your love and support. Okay friends, shall we do the unboxing now? If that's a yes, let's go! So there's a small hatch over here. You had to open this hatch and lift it. So there's a type of sponge. So this is a sponge sheet which happens to protect the play button. And also this is a letter from Neil Mohan, the YouTube CEO. And also this is some silicone, and also this is a card from Society Awards. And now, here comes the real stuff. The play button! Yes! Now let's do it. Let's open it. And also there's another card for us. Let's open it now. Not to mention, it also stands on its own. See friends, it's a silver play button. Thank you for your love and support. Now let's take an even closer look. Thank you friends for your love and support and huge trust on Dia's Funplay. And also, if there's more you need to know, write it in the comment section below. We can answer it. And also keep subscribing to our channel so that we can make even more videos and help you. And now, Dia's Funplay and learning can be your new friend. It could teach you more to make models and many other stuff. So thank you, have an awesome and a great day. Ciao! Thanks for watching DS Funplay. See you in the next video. Subscribe for more videos. Right up, subscribe right here, right now. Don't forget, press the bell icon. The choice is yours. DS Funplay.